2017 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, front-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.